Hello there, and welcome to another TeZ-X Spectrum video. This is episode 1147, and today we are celebrating the release 44 years ago of the 48K ZX Spectrum, or the 16Ks as well. So yeah, 44 years, and we're going to go back and play a couple of games, 3 or 4 games from 1982. Some really early Spectrum games. Some I remember, some I've played, some I'm good at, and some I'm terrible at. So let's have a look at this first one. We are Ground Force Zero, and it's just basically Bomber, released in '82 by Titan Programs. One of the first games to have a loading screen. So there you go. So I've been told. So let's get into this. Select level 0 to 9. Let's go for easy because these early games are hard. So I think are we going? There we go. So bomb the skyscrapers. I think we're just pressing B for bomb. A bit late. You want to get the high skyscrapers first. Yes. It's all about timing. Yeah, so a clone of Bomber, really. Oh, I should get those other ones. I've had very little practice on this. I just made sure that it worked. So this is basically like a first go. Missed. Let's get that large one. Oh no, I've got one more chance. Yes. Oh no, it's going to game over. Ah! Pull up. Let's have another go. Now, these are going to be very quick. So I remember playing this on my mate's Spectrum before I had one very early on. Back in 82. Oh, damn, I'm doing rubbish. So in 82 I was 8. I think my second year at primary school. Oh, I'm doing terrible. You get the idea though, don't you? So you can drop 2 bombs. Oh, crap. The taller buildings take a couple of hits. Oh. It's nice just to play these early games. I do concentrate too much on the later games, to be honest. Ooh. Oh, missed. Uh-oh. And kaboom. Right, should we go on to the next game? This is a bit of fun, that one, isn't it? Right, let's load up the next one. Just spin through these. So, we have Muncher from Silversoft, obviously 1982. So a clone of Pac-Man, really. Let me get my keys in. That'll do. How do we start the game? There we go. So one that I played when Mr. Morris brought in his Spectrum at primary school. We all went mad for this. Me and my sister had a Atari 2600 at the time, so we were Pac-Man pros. But this is different. This is different because it's a different maze. Let's get the ghosts. Yes, I remember a sunny afternoon in Mr. Morris's class, and he brought his Spectrum in, and we went nuts, fighting over the keyboard to have a go. Happy days. Oh, I'm feeling a bit blocked here. Oh. Yeah, none of these games were able to accommodate a joystick at the time. Oh my god. Oh, the controls are a bit tricky. You can kind of get stuck on the maze walls if you're not concentrating. But to have this on your Specky to play Pac-Man, this is a good sort of version. I'm going to sack the ghosts off and just go for the for the pellets. Oh no! Oh. The ghosts are called Inky, Pinky, Dinky and Winky, like in the arcades. Oh, let's get out of here. Oh, let's go over here. Yeah, this would have been pretty mind-blowing at the time. The cherries in the middle do open up. I think you have to get a certain amount of points. That just gives you a bonus. Oh, I don't like these bits, you see. Those little alcoves. They send you off kilter a little bit. Yeah, so I like the original 48K, 16K games. Would have originally been versions on the ZX81. Oh, just bugger off. Oh no, no. Ah, I've got I've got one life left. Yes, come on. Hooray! That's the first time I did it. So we get an identical level, do we? Yeah, I think it is, isn't it? Oh. This plays a little bit faster. Ah! You don't get any warnings when the ghosts turn back to normal. Right, so that was Muncher. Let's have a look at the next game. Okay, we are playing Escape. Very early game, released by New Gen Software, 1982. So we basically, you can read that, but we are a guy in the maze. We have to find a axe, dodge all the dinosaurs and nasties, and get your axe to bash through the escape door. So the controls, they're 5, 6, 7, and 8. Not my favourite. Not a fan. Never have been. But here we go. Let's do level 1. Here we go. So 7 is up. 5 is left. Right even. So we've got to find our axe. Oh my god. I've never been a fan of these controls. Here we go. Right, so a sort of a two-dimensional three-dimensional version of 3D Monster Maze. I am going to do rubbish at this. Oh, I think. Whoa, have I got it? Just got to get to the door. I think. Did I pick up my axe? I'm not sure. Oh no, I haven't got my axe. I haven't got my axe because you slow down. No. I don't know what flashed up on the screen, but I haven't got my axe. Let's just check all the areas. Run! Oh crap! Why wasn't I going up? Oh my god! Oh, that's easy to break into. There we go. Let's have another go. I'm terrible at this. I've never got one of these keys. Never. Let's try two. Let's try two monsters. I ain't gonna do very well in this. Come on. Start the game. So we've got two dinosaurs in this. Oh my god. There's lots of character in those little sprites. A handful of pixels, and they look great. I just find these keys. It's like trying to tap your head and rub your tummy. Never been a fan of them. No, there we go. Well, I think that's it for me on that. I'm just terrible at it. Right, okay. Whew. Not my favourite game, but a lot of people enjoyed that. Let's have a look at the next game. Okay, we are playing Invasion Force by Arctic Software. So a bit like Phoenix, a little bit, I guess. Now I have played this back in the day, but I've never reviewed it before. So yeah, let's have a jump into this. Amazing. So Z, X, and M and K on the controls. No, I don't need the instructions because it goes on for ages and I know what to do. Suicidal game? No. No, thank you. I think you just get one life on that one. Alright, we are at the bottom. What is fire? N. Oh, okay. N is fire. Or so yeah, we got to blast the flashing blue area on the mothership by blasting through these red walls. Yes, if you hit the magenta, it will repair any damage. To the ship. So we don't want to do that. Looks a bit like the Yellow Submarine. Oh god. Yeah, so a little bit like Phoenix. Hooray! There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, so 44 years of the Spectrum. Superior aliens detective, prepare for combat. Yeah, it's still going strong today. The Spectrum community is fantastic to be part of. I absolutely adore playing Spectrum games and dying. That blew my mind when I was a kid. Get repairs, brilliant. Yeah, there's something very special about the Spectrum, and good old Sir Clive reluctantly gave us some excellent gaming experiences. Yes, it's amazing what games are still being produced. So yeah, I've been making 1,147 Spectrum videos. So that's about 4 years of daily games, and there's still so many to cover. Yeah, it's getting harder now. Yeah, I'll never complete all the Spectrum library. I will be dead, and there will be thousands of games still yet to play. There's games I sort of steer clear from, like text adventures. I mean, I do like the odd text adventure, but as video content, they're not very interesting. Well, they might be interesting to some people, but they're not me. I haven't touched on football games. I let Mark Donut Doney do all those. So it's going to get even harder now. A lot of these games appeared on my I Love Spectrum 1982 videos. I might put that up again today. Just to celebrate. I remember playing a game like this on the Dragon 32, very similar. I don't know if it was the same version. Yeah, my friend had a Dragon 32. His dad got it for compiling the football pools or something like that. That's what he was always doing on it. Anyway, there we go. I'll put my name in. There we go. Oh. TeZ, can't fit all my letters in. So there we go. Happy birthday and happy anniversary, whatever you want to call it, to the TeZ-X Spectrum. Let's finish off the video with a little musical montage look back from the games of 1982 for the TeZ-X Spectrum.